Protective styles are a cornerstone for healthy hair for women with coily and curly hair. These styles work by tucking away and shielding the ends of your hair, reducing daily manipulation and protecting strands from environmental stressors such as sun, wind, and friction. Choosing the right protective style depends on your unique hair goals, whether that's maximizing length retention, reducing tension on your scalp, maintaining scalp cleanliness, enhancing volume, or achieving a professional look. In today's video, we have a detailed breakdown of the best protective styles for 5 common hair goals, along with expert care tips and style guides to help you achieve optimal results. So if this looks like something you're interested in, stay tuned to this video, because in today's video we are going to look at the protective styles for coily and curly hair. These are tailored by the goals you want to achieve. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning one, welcome back to the Curly Bible, my darlings. Like this video, share with all your friends who are still confused with what is growing out of their scalp and how to take care of it. We want every woman of color to know how to take care of her hair, because it is growing out of her scalp. Why is she confused? And she goes to these professionals, or so-called salonists or hair care tech, who mess them up and make it even look difficult, much more strenuous than it's supposed to be. I'll be going to the salon and I know better what to do with my hair, because I think I have worked hard for it, and that is the journey I am on, to make every woman know what to do with her hair. The first hair goal that we are going to look at: maximize length retention. If you want to maximize length retention, here are some of the styles and things you should do to ensure that you have that maximum length you are reaching for. Styles that minimize manipulation and protects your ends, helping you hold on to every precious inch of your natural hair, will be the ones you should strive for. Recommended styles are mini twist, box braids, and wigs. How they work: mini twists and box braids shield the hair ends, significantly reducing breakage caused by daily styling and environmental exposure. Wigs provide complete coverage, allowing your hair to rest beneath, fully protected from damage. But now, you cannot just think that you will do this and it have maximum hair retention and your hair will grow to waist length without doing some care and protective style practices. We have to ensure that we are doing this thing the right way to maximize the length retention we are working towards. Now, here are some hair care and style tips. Start with a clean and deep conditioned hair. Apply a moisturizing leave-in conditioner before installing any of these styles we have talked about: the braids, the mini twists, or the wigs. Avoid installing braids or twists too tightly to prevent breakage and scalp stress. The next thing you have to do is, for wigs, braid your hair flat to create a smooth base, reducing bulk and tension. Maintain moisture with light oils and water-based sprays weekly. And always sleep with a satin bonnet and scalp to preserve moisture. Cleanse your scalp gently every 1 to 2 weeks. For wigs, remove regularly to care for your natural hair underneath. Limit wear to 6 to 8 weeks to prevent buildup and tangling, matting, and all the things that we are trying to protect our hair from. The next goal some of you might be striving to is low tension. If your hair goal is low tension, we are going to look at some of those hairstyles that you can do and what are the best practices for doing them. Gentle protective styles that avoid pulling on the scalp and edges, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing damage. The recommended styles include flat twists and crochet braids. How they work: flat twists and crochet braids lie close to the scalp with minimal tension, preventing damage to the fragile edges and reducing the risk of traction alopecia. Crochet braids ease installation stress by using pre-made extensions that are looped into cornrows. But here are some of the care and style tips you should use to ensure that it is actually protecting your hair and not damaging your hair. Cleanse and moisturize hair thoroughly before styling. As we've said before, use a sleep enhancing leave-in conditioner to avoid twisting or to aid twisting. Communicate with your stylist to ensure the style feels secure but not painful. Keep your scalp hydrated with lightweight oils and refresh flat twists by gently retwisting loose sections. Wash scalp using diluted shampoo and conditioner and condition hair under the style and protect cleanliness and moisture. Keep styles for up to 6 weeks before removing to avoid buildup. Don't leave it for 6 years, please, or 6 months. It is not appropriate, okay? If you want scalp access and easy washing, if that is your goal, because some of us would like to keep our hair but be able to access our scalp for easy washing, this is one of my favorite parts. The styles will allow you to easy access your scalp for regular cleansing and moisturizing, essential for maintaining scalp health and preventing buildup. Also, it will help you to see your scalp more clearly so you can know when there is any warning sign for you to take down the style or do maintenance or take care of your hair. Okay, the recommended styles are cornrows and flat twists. How they work: cornrows and flat twists expose your scalp with open parts, making it easy to cleanse, moisturize, and treat without fully undoing your hair. This accessibility helps prevent buildup and keeps your scalp healthy. Care and style tips: start with freshly washed hair and conditioned hair. I will keep singing that song. Ensure braids and twists are comfortable and not too tight. Regularly split scalp with water-based moisturizers or lightweight oils to prevent dryness. Wash your hair more frequently, but at least once a week or every 10 days to maintain cleanliness. Limit wear to 2 to 4 weeks for best scalp health and ease of maintenance. Now, if your goal is volume or aesthetics, we will be going for the bold texture styles that add fullness and flair while still protecting your natural hair beneath. Recommended styles include the Marley twist, the faux locks. We talked about the Marley twist and the faux locks when we're talking about protective styles that are best for coily and curly hair. If you've not seen that video, please, I will link it down in the description box so you can find it and watch it after this one. How do this work? The Marley twist and the faux locks offer thick textured looks and create volume and style while locking in moisture and protecting hair ends from manipulation and environmental damage. How to do this? Make sure that you deep condition, moisturize your hair before installing the style. Choose medium to lightweight Marley or faux locks to avoid excessive scalp tension. Also, make sure that the amount of hair you are using on your hair is proportionate to your hair density, so that there's no excessive tension or excessive weight or stressor on your hair or scalp. Keep the scalp moisturized with lightweight oils, water-based leave-in conditioner to maintain softness and flexibility. Cleanse your scalp gently with diluted shampoo and follow with moisturizing treatments. Wear these styles for up to 6 weeks, avoiding heavy products that can build up or weigh them down. Okay? Now, if you are going for a professional look, here are some of the favorites. We have slicks, neat styles that protect your hair while presenting a polished and refined appearance, sustaining for professional settings. The recommended styles: low buns, twisted updos. Ooh, I love this. Each and every one of my graduations, I was with an updo, which was fabulous, and I always looked like, damn. People were commenting and I was looking as if I took hours and hours, but it took barely 15 minutes to get that thing done, and I'll be looking so fly and hot, nobody will believe me. How these work: low buns and twisted updos tuck away ends of your elegant hair while ensuring that you have low manipulation, and it protects your hair from damage, all the while maintaining professional and sophisticated look. How do you do this? Begin with moisturized, detangled, washed, deep conditioned hair. In order to have that sleek, smooth, and beautiful bun, you think it's going to be easy? No, the hair has to be washed, clean, moisturized, and well detangled for you to have that slick look. Vavavoom. The next thing you should ensure is gentle style without pulling too tightly. Use soft bands and pins for security. Maintain your edges and hairline with light oils and fresh styles as needed. Sleep with a satin scalp especially, okay, to prevent friction and preserve moisture. I especially suggest that you first of all lightly tie your hair with a satin scalp, and then you add your satin bonnet on it to make sure that you have that double protection, and your hair will wake up the next morning sleek, relaxed, and soft, ready for you to rock and conquer the world in your professional look. Keep styles for maximum of 1 to 2 weeks and remove for washing and conditioning regularly. Please, I insist that you keep the style as low as 1 2 weeks to 10 days so that you are not having buildups, because during these styles we tend to use a lot of heavy products to maintain the style. Like some of us use waxes, some use gels, some of us use a lot of edge controls in order to have a different polished look every day. So make sure that you don't leave it for too long. You wash it after a week or 2 maximum so you can have your scalp clean. Okay? Now, those are the 5 goals which you can work towards to ensure that you have a protective style. So if you're looking for a protective style to maximize your length retention, to have low tension, for scalp access and easy washing, for volume and aesthetics, or for a professional look, here are some of the essentials you need to know. Now, if you've made it up to this point and you have not liked this video, please drop a like, help a sister out, okay? Yes, share it with your friends. Every African woman, every European American, or any Asian woman that has been struggling to understand the hair that grows out of their scalp, send it to them so they can know what to do with their hair, what type of protective style, and what it means to have a protective style. A protective style is not a hiding style, okay? It's not for you to hide your hair away. It is for you to protect what you have washed, cleansed, detangled, deep conditioned, cherished, moisturized, and it's looking good, and you want it to stay longer so you can grow longer hair. You protect it. You are not just carrying your hair that is in a damaged stage to go and hide under a protective style. It's not a protective style then it's a hiding style. Okay? Final thoughts. Selecting the right protective style aligns with your hair goals can significantly enhance your hair's health and growth journey. Proper preparation, gentle installation, regular moisturizing, scalp care, and timely removal are key to maximizing the benefits of protective styling. Whether you want to retain maximum length, maintain scalp health, add volume, or present a polished look, these tailored styles guide will help you protect and celebrate your natural hair beautifully, eloquently, elegantly, sophisticatedly, as well as with ease. On to the next video. This is your Curly Bible. I will see you next time. This is Nappy Nemo checking out. Bye.